I start to talk about the caramel porridge that the doctor said it's wrong for Jamaicans to drink the caramel porridge. Listen to me. Them run out like when ants are crawl out of ants' nest. You touch them spine. You irritate me Jamaican them. Yeah. They're ready for eat it, Dr. Raw. They're ready for fight. Yes. When they hear about something we grow them and grow them picnic and they never kill them. And then you can tell them say, enough to eat. No man. You touch them hard. So you see when you touch a Jamaican very hard, a Jamaican will come out by you. Yeah. Moreover, them food, growing up really, caramel porridge, you know. We grew up on caramel porridge. Now the doctor said the caramel porridge not good for you.